You getting the spiders that are coming out tonight? Back up.
What's first? Torch. It's warm. Is it warm, dude?
You waiting? You waiting to cook dinner? You gotta wait. Wait on our charcoal to get right. Do I got it right? Is my sauce right?
How the heat keeps the fan spinning.
Do I got it right? Is my sauce right? She said, where's her bite? You sampling? Where's her bite? You want a bite? Good.
Look, you gotta dip it in here. Look.
Think you strong?
Good.
What we got?
Where do we put it?
Wherever you want. Set it down. Ooh, hot and popping. She wants you to roll the corn. Help Daddy.
I'm rolling it. It's hot, ain't it?
No, it's hot. Don't touch it. You want me to cut it off the cob? Do you need help? Over here. Come up here and I'll help you. Look, I have the knife. Gaitlyn, look. I have the knife. No, you're not taking the knife. Go get the corn. Bring it here. Go get it. Give me it. Give me the corn.
He's practicing the frog gigging.
Something fell inside you. I gotta get her back.
Oh my good onion. I'm not eating that.
Come on. We ain't got enough food. We got to get what we can. Dinner served.
Look at that, anchovy.
I could go for an anchovy.
That's what it looks like.
Did good?
Guys, vegetables, kids.
Gotta eat your vegetables, kids.
A little cereal on that going.
What do you do with your asparagus in your hand?
I'm going for some dipping sauce. Potatoes a little raw.
Tastes a little raw.
That's what you got in here. A little butter to wash her down.
Worcester Day.
So what I do is I'll sear them a little bit. Ooh, burn my hand.
Don't do that, kids. We gotta go in. The big owl's out. You hear? You hear that bird? It's a big owl. We gotta go in. He'll get us tonight. Come on. Hold on tight.